Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an online gallery with SmugMug, beginner guide step by step clearly. To create an online gallery with SmugMug, start by visiting the SmugMug website. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. Choose a subscription plan that best fits your needs. Fill out the required information, including your email address and password. Once you've submitted your details, check your email for a confirmation message. Click the confirmation link in your email to verify your account. Log into your SmugMug account using your email and password. After logging in, you will be directed to your SmugMug homepage. Click on the Upload button to start adding your images. Select the photos you want to include in your gallery. Choose the appropriate privacy settings for your gallery. You can select options such as public, password protected, or private. After choosing your settings, click on the Upload button to add your photos. Once your photos are uploaded, navigate to the Organize section. Create a new gallery by clicking on Add Gallery. Name your gallery and add a description if desired. Select the photos you want to include in this gallery. Click on Save to create your gallery. Now, customize your gallery's layout and style. Select from different templates and design options to enhance your gallery's appearance. Adjust the settings for slideshow options, captions, and more. Once everything is set, click the Done button to save your changes. Preview your gallery to ensure everything looks the way you want. Share your gallery link with friends, family, or clients. You can also share via social media using the provided links. Review your gallery regularly to update or add new photos as needed. Congratulations, you now have your very own online gallery on SmugMug. If the page does not load, make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.